Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to reset any Tenda Wi-Fi rail extender. You can follow this guide for any model of Tenda Wi-Fi extender. So first of all, plug your extender into a power source and wait for around 120 seconds until it reboots properly. Now locate its reset hole. Depending upon your model number, you might find the reset hole on the side or bottom of the unit. It is a tiny hole that you will need to push using a pin or paper clip. So push the reset hole for around 5 to 10 seconds and then release the pin. Afterwards, let the device reboot, and on successful reset, you will see your Tenda extender SSID showing up in your Wi-Fi list. It will come up on your phone or computer as Tenda_ext. You can then start its setup again from scratch. Watch video given in the description to learn how to do it. Lastly, if you found the video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.